Hey, plant parents! Have you ever packed your bags for a trip and suddenly thought, wait, what about my plants? I know I have. Well, today I'm here to share 4 easy ways to make sure your plants stay healthy and happy while you're away, whether you're on vacation or just too busy to water them daily. Let me show you how I've managed to keep mine thriving, even when I'm not around. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel Houseplantslove and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Method 1. String drip system. I once went on a week-long holiday, and I didn't want to bother my neighbor or friends for plant duty. So I tried the string drip system, and it worked like magic. Here's how you do it. Grab a cotton string or cloth, bury one end deep into the soil and the other into a jar of water. The jar needs to be higher than your plant so the water can move through the string by capillary action. Basically, your plant sips water slowly while you're chilling on the beach. I kept my plants out of direct sunlight so the water didn't evaporate too fast, and it gave me peace of mind knowing they'd be fine for the whole week. In our previous video, we explored the best plants for your office desk. If you missed it, make sure to check it out by clicking the link in the I button or at the end of this video. Method 2. Water bottle drip system. Now, if you're more of a garden person, like I am, I've got another trick for you. Once, I had a hectic week where I just couldn't keep up with watering my indoor or outdoor plants, so I tried the water bottle drip system. All you need is an empty water bottle. Poke a few holes in the sides and bottom, bury it in the soil next to your plants, and fill it with water. The water slowly drips out, giving your plants a nice steady supply of moisture. I remember testing it before I left. I marked the water level, went to run some time, and when I came back a few hours later, it had gone down just a little. This method really helped when I had no time to water every day, but still wanted my plants looking great. For this, you can also use some old wine bottles lying in your home. If you enjoy the video so far, please like the video. Method 3. Using saucers. If you have indoor or outdoor potted plants, place a water-filled saucer underneath each pot. The soil will absorb water from the saucer as it dries out, keeping the roots hydrated. For outdoor plants, the saucer will also catch rainwater, providing additional moisture. This method also helps increase humidity for your houseplants. We covered this in our previous video, so if you missed it, be sure to check it out by clicking the link in the I button or at the end of this video. Method 4. Plant care friends. Now, if you're like me and have a friend group that loves plants, here's another idea. Start a plant care friends. My neighbor and I have this deal. When I'm away, she waters my plants, and when she's away, I water hers. It's super handy, and you know your plants are in good hands while you're away. Plus, it's a great way to bond with your fellow plant parents. So whether you're going on a long vacation or just have a packed schedule, these methods will keep your plants happy and healthy. What's your go-to tip for keeping plants hydrated when you're away? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more plant care hacks. Until next time, happy planting and safe travels.